Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Magic Studio in Canva using the new Canva interface. So let's get started. First, open any web browser. Once you are on your web browser, type canva.com at your search bar. Make sure to log in with your Canva account. As you can see, I have successfully logged in with the account. Once you log in, you will see options like Create, Home, Projects, Templates, Brands, Canva AI, and so on. Now click on the Create plus icon at the top. It will further show different options. Now you will see further options. You can choose any based on your need and preference. For me, I will choose Instagram post. Now it will reopen a new interface where you will see different options like text, design, brand, uploads, tools, projects, apps, and Magic Media. This means Magic Studio is already enabled in your account. Click on the Magic Media at the bottom. From here, you can generate AI images, videos, or graphics just by typing a prompt. For me, I will type food. Once typed, you can just click on generate images and it will show different images related to food. To use more Magic Studio tools, click on the text and you can use Magic Write, or you can just open Design and select an image, or click Edit Image and then use tools like Magic Eraser, and that's it. This is how you can easily enable Magic Studio in Canva using the plus icon. If this video helped you, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.